It's great. One fully loaded Civic. Some of the components.
I'll take your bloody camping chairs.
No, leave my camping chairs out of here. So, welcome back, guys. It's been a while. Yeah, so this is probably going to be one of the longest episodes we have ever done, because we are attempting to fit Olly's turbo in one night at the garage. Civic's in the air already. Basically, we're going to start getting everything off.
Get the bumper off, get the AC right.
And if you come with me, you can see all of the turbo shit here. We've got pipes, we've got intercoolers, we've got wastegates, we've got blow-offs, we've got the turbo itself sitting over there, all juicy. We've got Olly. We've got one dirty Civic. Let's get into something. So, status update. We've got the entire front bumper off and the crash bar. Quite easy. Undid all the horns, took all the lights out to be able to get access. Olly's just getting the AC rad off now. There's no pipes connected because he...
No, there are pipes connected there. He's still in there.
You broke it though.
Yeah, I broke it, but they're still there.
This goes down in there. So get this out. Gives us room for the intercooler. When that comes out, we'll have a bit more access. Gang here now. You might remember George from the Turbo Civic video. He's come to help Olly do his Civic because he knows what he's actually doing. So we're cracking on with getting the exhaust manifold off. We've got the lights off, battery out, airbox out. Airbox over there.
Yeah, of course. These all be like trying to make YouTube videos.
Got Olly over here, putting the wastegate onto the old loggy manifoldy. Right, we got a tack rod on.
Yeah. Just a couple tacks around the sides and that.
Just keep it there.
Yeah.
So we've got all the pipes in the engine bay off. We're getting the car up, we're getting the exhaust off the back there. Olly's sitting there still messing with his wastegate. He's got all of that in, all liquid PTFE tape, liquid PTFE on it. Seal it all up. Lift's going up slowly.
I need to get it, they're not the last lift anymore.
And dirty Civic. So now we're tack rolling up.
I'm staring at it.
Tack rolling up. Now the
this?
wastegate is onto the manifold.
Man up, you pussy.
I know!
Goes up there.
Yeah, do you want me to put up?
No, yeah, it's taller than me, bro. I'll do it from the top. So you give me a
Oh my god! That's hot!
Yeah, it's a tight spot, isn't it?
Mate, it's bare tight with a cast manifold.
Some nice little titanium bolts here to go on to the end of the manifold. George is now bolting up. All the way up in there. Olly's getting the rest of the turbo pipe out. So I'm guessing that's a down pipe. Cat. Everything else that needs to come out.
Thank you.
So yeah, that's the log manifold up in there with the wastegate on it. Lovely turbo smart wastegate. George, what are you doing?
Spinning the turbo. Just so when you bolt up the intercooler sits here so it can come around.
Stand on there. Let's see what Olly doing.
So your issue was the way.
So, current update. We haven't filmed quite a bit because George had to go, so we were just like smashing it out. Turb ski is on the back there. All we got to do on that is the oil feed and downpipe down there somewhere. Got the intercooler pipes in, all bolted up. We test fitted it before we even clamped anything down. Ollie, the fabricator, is fabricating some clamps and
I'm going to be cutting that off. Don't worry, it will look nicer.
Anyway,
There we go.
Fabricating some brackets up. Yeah, you know you're going to have that cut. You're a divid.
Oh my god!
Hold on.
Wow! 2 secs.
Nice one!
2 secs. Fuck's sake.
But yeah, we're going to get all this stuff fabricated up. Got the intake pipe in there. Connected the throttle body.
No.
Gonna have to get a bigger clamp, boost clamp for there because Ollie didn't order the right parts. Got this welded in nice and done there by Luke. Look at that gorgeous fitting there.
What fitting?
The fitting into the, where the blower valve goes, can't remember what it's called. That bit.
Oh, intake air temp.
Blower valve goes on there, which I think is going to be way too big and I'm not going to want it.
What? Yeah, Will?
You think?
Yeah.
Yeah. Intake pipes go down there. Intercooler pipes rather. Come around here into the intercooler. Back around.
So far, this kit seems alright. Everything seems to go in alright. Oh, I don't think you recorded the bit where we tack welded the wastegate on.
I don't think I did. But
So basically, yeah, because of the log manifold, it's got really bad issues with loosening off the wastegate. So after a few miles or so, the wastegate always leaks. Oh, I'm going to cut that down a bit. The wastegate always leaks because the heat loosens off the nuts. So how we have counteracted that is by putting a couple tack welds on the bolts for the wastegate holding it onto the manifold. When we're under there doing the downpipe, I'll show you, but yeah, just to let you know.
yeah, we're going to finish up doing all these clamps, getting all these clamps on.
Oh, where the fuck is the other?
And we are good to go. So we have one of the brackets made up and done. Now Ollie's actually put it in the right place. That will bend in like that. Second bracket will go up on there. All the pipes in the turbo, for the turbo dam, all coming down there. Come down past this wheel, all come in, comes in, goes back out again. Or rather goes in and comes back out again. Either way, we're getting there. So nothing really more to explain. All we've done is just made the brackets for the intercooler to sit on there.
Good to trim the edges for the light.
Luke's just sorting out the wiring for the injectors to go onto the fuel rail because they need to be rewired.
Because Luke's the man. He's the man.
All the pipes are on. Ollie's sorting out the genuine Greddy. Look at that, Greddy, genuine. Blower valve or bob, whatever you want to call it. And then we can start the car and it will run perfectly fine.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, look at the turb ski back there. Yeah, it's coming along quite nicely. So we've had the car up and down, up and down, up and down. Ollie goes to fit the fucking cat off the manifold, off the back of the turbo. He's only gone and cut the wrong end off.
Fuck's sake.
Wait, look at what he's done to this flange. What the fuck?
I need to cut this one off now. And that's a 3-inch. Good thing I bought a 5. Oh my god.
He's cut the fucking wrong end off. That is looking sexy up there though.
Oh, it's good thing I bought a 3-inch.
Look at that. Oh! Oh!
Look at that. I bought a 2.5 and a 3.
You don't try and fucking get out of that. You cut the wrong end off, you spastic.
Oh mate.
Look at how much he's mullered that. Right, so I took liberty of taking over the cutting of this because Ollie mullered this side. And look at that clean cut, mate. Whoa! Now we're going to have to weld both sides back up to get it back onto there because the fucking idiot cut everything off before even thinking about it. Oh my god, look at the state of that. Look at the state of that.
Huh?
Right, so we have got, Luke has lovely welded up the downpipe to the cat there. Goes back. Successfully welded up Olly's bodge job. Got both the lambda sensors in. We're gonna have to move this exhaust hanger though because it just doesn't sit right. It won't sit right ever, so we're gonna have to do something with that. Both lambda sensors are in though. But as far as the exhaust goes, that's done. Just need to get everything all sorted tomorrow, drop the sump, get the baffled sump in, and then carry on with the exhaust work, oil feeds and everything for the turbo. And then the streamer pipe goes up on there on the back of the wastegate. But yeah, we're getting there. Calling it a night. It's
currently 5:10 a.m.
let's see what time it is. Lovely. Look at that. We've been here for 8 hours. But looking rather smart, sitting on the front there. Screamer pipes on, we're going to vent it to atmosphere, fuck it. Get some loudy boy noises in here. But yeah, it's coming along nicely.
Yeah, got some more to do tomorrow.
It's got loads to pack up. But yeah, join us back tomorrow when we eventually get the turbo working, running,
So
started.
what to do tomorrow?
Some
oil feed return.
baffle.
Yeah, 3-port boost solenoid, relocate battery,
Oil
fuel
feed.
pump, yeah, base map, done.
Only done. Start it.
Fire her up.